Hi my dear beginner violin player, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and I will be your violin teacher. On my channel you saw already so many videos with the lessons for the beginner violin players, intermediate violin players, some music theory lessons. I decided guys to create for you a songbook, 15 easy songs for beginner violin players. This book available only in PDF format, so you always will be able to use your book or on a tablet or on your computer or maybe even on the phone. To be able to use this book, the only thing what you need to have on your computer or your tablet or your phone is Adobe Reader. Like this it will be much more easier for you to use that book. MP3 files with the piano plus metronome accompaniment coming in the separate folder. So first what you're gonna do, you'll open your book, you look at the first page where you have a song, then you click on free lesson with the book open, you watch free lesson, and then after that you'll play your exercises. And when you play your exercise for the song and the song, of course you can use the MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. I think enough with the presentation and we should start with our lessons. The first song in our book, Allegretto. Please first look at the tempo. Allegro and BPM is 92. To be able to play with your MP3 accompaniment, you have to learn where you're supposed to start. So, please look at the time signature. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Try to do it by yourself. After you play the song, you have to exercise this song. I'm pretty sure that it wasn't so easy. That's why we have 3 more exercises. Why we need those exercises? Like this, we will learn how to use our bow. We'll learn the placement of our fingers on the fingerboard. And of course, we will learn notes and feel more comfortable to play with the accompaniment. Look at this yellow sticker in your songbook. It says exercise number 1 and 2, playing the different parts of the bow, play currently to a metronome. For exercise 1, I want you to play quarter notes and half notes for the full bow and 8 notes, tip of the bow and next to the frog, just like this girl on the video. Let's have a look. On your bow have to be exactly in the middle between bridge and fingerboard. Exercise number 2. Let's check what our sticker says. The same thing like exercise 1. You have to play in different parts of the bow, quarter notes and half notes for the full bow, and all 8 notes or upper half of the bow or lower half of the bow. The only difference between first exercise and the second exercise, the rhythm in those exercises are different. So please pay attention on that as well. Please pay attention on your fourth finger. You have to stretch it all the time. And exercise 3, bow stroke legato and string crossing. In meantime, please don't forget that you have to use full bow for quarter notes or for bow stroke legato where you see a quarter note and half of the note. Like this, we will explore our bow better. Let's check how the girl on the video plays legato and if she's doing good string crossing. Strings, don't forget about positioning of your right elbow. This book will help you to improve your bow skills and also bow stroke détaché and legato. As well, you will learn how to play with the metronome and to not run a little bit ahead of metronome or to be a little bit behind the metronome. As well, you will feel more comfortable to play with the piano because sometimes students they learn their part but they don't know the piano part, and when they are playing with the accompaniment they don't feel very secure. So this book will help you to do that as well, to feel secure when you're playing with the piano or any other accompaniment. And of course, instead of using stickers on your violin, this book will help you to learn the notes on your violin with these nice happy yellow pictures. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video lesson.